So this is Polychase. It's a sort of very similar to Geotracker, apart from it's free and open source, so that's good. I was having an initial problem with the thinking, oh, it didn't work. I mean, I'd got a track and it was quite tracking, and then like Geotrack, you go in and you do a tweak on one of the frames where it drifts, and then you go refine all, and it'll refine it. But the problem is because I had focal length estimation still on after the second. You can only really use that when you start. Just do one, and then you need to switch off, and then the refine all works properly. With that, if you leave that still on, it gets confused and whatever. So it does work. It works pretty well, as you can see. I'll put a link to the thing if people are interested. I guess I could make a tutorial or something on how to use it, but it is very much. I mean, you need a clip loaded in the tracking thing, so you can select the clip. You need the geometry, so that's the cylinder, the camera. You need to tell it what's moving. Is the camera moving or is the geometry moving? You might be able to do have a camera track, and then nested within that have the geometry track, object track, like Geotracker. Although I don't know if that's really quite how it's supposed to be used. But just doing a simple object track, you see it works pretty well. And then you obviously just need to specify where the database is written. Put database DOB, and then analyze the video, and then I'm not going to go. I'll do it unless people want it. But I just thought it was worth mentioning because it's like, it's a free alternative. I mean, Geotrack is very affordable, but yeah, this is free, so this is great. So yeah, I'll stop the video there, I think. But yeah, I did try and put a AI video edit Space Helmet, but it lost the lip sync. So I thought, oh, this is an interesting problem. Can I 3D track it? And the video is generated in Seedance. Or is it Seedance? Yeah, I think so. And that it seems Seedance seems to have has quite good spatial. There's no AI weirdness, right? Things. It feels very. I reckon I could 3D track this. I could probably even get a point cloud out of this. I might go into Nuke and give that a go. I shall stop the video there.